Good morning, students. I'm the lecturer of the course Communication Skills 1. Right. Today, let us discuss the structure of the syllabus of the course Communication Skills 1. This is only structure, this is only syllabus, and in this video, we are going to discuss the units of this course, the objectives and outcomes of this course, and why this course was introduced or why this course has been introduced in BTech curriculum. Communication skills are very important in nowadays, as everybody knows. So without communication skills, one cannot get succeeded in his or her life. So let us look at the structure of the syllabus in the first video. In the further videos, we'll discuss the further content. Right. Communication skills 1. Because in BTech second semester, we have communication skills 2, then we have soft skills 1, then we have soft skills 2. So likewise, so this is a this is a course for beginners, and this is a course for BTech first year, first semester students. Right. What are the objectives of this course? So the main objective of this course is to make the students efficient communicators through experimental learning. So the main objective of this course is to make the students efficient communicators through experimental learning. The second objective of this course is to enhance learners' analytical and creative skills so that they will be capable to address a wide range of communication. The third one, to help students or learners to improve their leadership qualities and professional etiquette. The fourth objective of this course is to expose students and learners to an efficient communicative environments. So these are the objectives of this course. So the objectives are is to make students efficient communicators, and is to enhance students' analytical and creative skills, and is to help students to improve the leadership qualities and to improve their professional etiquette, and is to expose students to an efficient communicative environments. So these are the objectives of this course. And what are the expected outcomes of this course? So far we have discussed the objectives of this course. So this course actually is meant to develop the communication skills in the students, and this course is to enhance professional etiquette. This course is to make students efficient communicators. So this course is to improve leadership qualities in the students. The objectives, the outcomes of this course. So after reading or after going through the content and after listening to videos and after having some practical activities in the classrooms, then what will be the outcomes? The outcomes and the outcomes of this course, students will be able to develop interpersonal communication. We'll discuss intra and interpersonal communication in the later videos. Here, the students will be able to develop their interpersonal as well as intrapersonal communication skills, and they will also be able to develop small group interactions. They'll be able to develop their public speaking skills, and the students will be able to exercise the writing assignments and exercise on the writing reports, letters, memos, circulars, notices, and they will also be able to write or learn precise writing skills, paraphrase writing skills, and they will be able to write creative. They will be able to work on creative writing, and they'll be able to work on or enhance their persuasive writings, and students will be able to apply right form of structural usage of sentences in their own written and oral communication. So this is another important outcome after this course. Students will be able to use the exact and right structural usage of sentences of their own written as well as oral communication. Students will be able to develop their confidence. Students will be able to develop their confidence while speaking and while writing. Students will be able to develop their reading skills. And students will be able to develop their logical framework for the critical analysis of spoken and written, visual and mediated messages. So this is another important factor, another important outcome of this course. Students will be able to improve their logical framework for the critical analysis of written, spoken, visual, audio and mediated messages upon diverse and various platforms. Students will be able to demonstrate the ability to apply vocabulary in the practical situations. So this is another important outcome. So these are the outcomes of this course. So first, communication skills 1 is a foundation course. This course is meant to develop the communication skills, especially reading, writing, listening and speaking. And the objectives of this course is to make the students efficient communicators, is to enhance learners analytical and creative skills, to help students to improve their leadership qualities and professional etiquette, to expose learners to an efficient communicative environments. So these are the objectives. The outcomes of this course is to develop intra and as well as interpersonal communication, and is to develop small group interactions and develop public speaking skills. So this is one of the outcomes. Another outcome of this course is students will be able to exercise on writing assignments and writing reports, writing technical reports. They'll be excelled in precise writing and persuasive writing. They'll be able to use the right form of structural usage of sentences in their written as well as oral communications. And the students will be able to develop their confidence as well as their skills related to reading comprehensions. And the students will be able to improve their logical framework in both written as well as oral communication. And students will be able to develop their logical framework in visual, audio and mediated messages upon various diverse platforms. And students will be able to demonstrate the ability to apply vocabulary, the technical vocabulary or subjective vocabulary in the practical situations. So these are these are the outcomes and objectives. We'll discuss the chapterization in the next video. Thank you.